lost my butler.
Oh my god, is that a dragon?
Traffic jam? Me first.
No, we go first.
My
You
turn.
go first. It's my turn.
Currently my turn.
Come on, fellas.
Oh, he said it's my turn. No, mine. Yes, and Thomas clearly meant we should go first.
No, we should go first. Hey!
We're gonna lay new cross ties. Maybe I could just lower the arm with my hook?
Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you, Carly.
Thank you, Carly. Look out, Thomas.
What a lovely day. Off to the bakery I go.
Cracked couplers! Where'd all this traffic come from? The cows! Come back here, please! I'm sorry, there's no way I'll get around that.
That traffic down there. Anyways, the laughing and fun and decorations, oh, they give me a... And so, I invited you all.
This magic place is more... No.
Huh? But sometimes...
Thank you, Cranky. Hello, you two.
Whoa!
Hurry up, Emily.
Aw, bolts. Not a traffic jam. Who could have seen this coming?
Me.
Nice day for a slow trip across the island. Wouldn't you say, boys?
Come on, Edward.
All right, I'm going.
Where's Kenji? How did we miss Kenji? Kenji? Kenji! Pull up, back up, unhook, go!